Hello students, this is Obhijit Shah from SNCS. So our next topic is overpopulation. Meaning of overpopulation, that the term overpopulation means to create a population for a given region to support, and it is the condition of having a population so dense as to cause environmental deterioration and impaired quality of life or a population crash. Okay, so when the amount of or number of population is increased from the normal condition, then we can say that overpopulation is there. There are too many people and not enough resources to maintain a reasonable standard of living. So when the number of population is increased from the normal condition, the normal number, then there created or there create some problems. It is considered as an undesirable condition where the number of existing human population exceeds the carrying capacity of earth. Okay, and overpopulated countries in the world, so there have various overpopulated countries. The 10 countries with the largest population in the world today are China, India, United States, Indonesia, Brazil, Pakistan, Nigeria, Bangladesh. These are the states where the population is very high, overpopulated countries. And overpopulated countries are not necessarily those with the highest population. So it is not indicate us that only they have the highest population. China and India rank first and second respectively with respect to the total population in the world, but they are ranked lower in the index of overpopulation. So in the country China and India, they have the first and second highest population, but they are not situated in the first or second rank of the overpopulated countries, list of overpopulated countries. Why? Because they can able to maintain the population, and this is because overpopulation involves the strain that population growth has on the development of a country. And overpopulation index takes into consideration the total population, that what is the ratio in between total population and the land and area, food production, water resource availability, and the total area under cultivation. So all these are the indicators, or due to or on the base of these kinds of facilities, we can say that the country is overpopulated or not. It measures the per capita consumption of renewable resources and the sustainability of a country on its resources. So it measures per capita consumption of renewable resources. Okay, so it measures with the per capita consumption and the sustainability of the country on its resources. And on this basis, many countries of Europe and the Middle East rank among the top 20 overpopulated countries in the world, and the United Kingdom ranks 17th in the list of overpopulated countries. Okay, so United Kingdom ranks 17th in the list of overpopulated countries. And cause of overpopulation, so there have so many causes for the overpopulation. That first one is decline in the death rate. At the root of overpopulation is the difference between the overall birth rate and death rate in population. Okay, if the number of children born each year equals the number of adults that die, then the population is stabilized. So the ratio in between birth rate and death rate will same, then the population also will stabilize. But there have huge difference in between birth rate and death rate, where birth rate is very high compared to death rate. The discovery of agriculture by one ancestors was one factor that provided them with the ability to sustain their nutrition without hunting, and this created the first imbalance between the two rates. Better medical facilities. Following this came the industrial revolution. Technological advancement was perhaps the biggest reason why the balance has been permanently disturbed. Since was able to produce better means of producing food, which allowed families to feed more mouths. Okay, so better medical facilities also improve or also the indicator of the increase of birth rate. And medical science made many discoveries thanks to which they were able to defeat a whole range of diseases. But this also create the problem with the overpopulation. An illness that had claimed thousands of lives were cured because of the invention of vaccine. So the doctors, they also made various kind of vaccine for the protection from any kind of diseases. Okay, so nowadays the death rate is very less. And technological advancement in fertility treatment, and with latest technological advancement and more discoveries in medical science, it has become possible for couples who are unable to conceive to undergo fertility treatment method and have their own babies. Today there are effective medicines which can increase the chance of conception and lead to rise in birth rate. Okay, so lots of medicines are introduced in the market that they are can able to protect the child or the mother, so there the death rate is very less. And moreover, due to modern techniques, pregnancies today are far safer. So the nowadays the pregnancy technique also very stay as a very good condition, and this is also very safer. And problems of overpopulation. So next is the problems of overpopulation. The rapid population growth, that in most of the underdeveloped countries population increases rapidly and family planning is not practiced on a large scale due to illiteracy and ignorance. So due to illiteracy, that what happened, that the family planning is also not there, and that's why the population is also increased indirectly. And this means that there is a large proportion of people in the population who are dependent on the relatively small working section of the population. Next is unemployment. In many underdeveloped countries, industry is not well established and there are few employment opportunities for unskilled workers, and unemployment is therefore high. And on the other hand, there is often a shortage of skilled workers because there are few facilities for training. Okay, so unemployment is therefore high, and on the other hand there is often a shortage of skilled workers. They have the workers, but the skilled workers number is very less. In overpopulated rural areas, unemployment or underemployment is also a major problem. So in overpopulated rural areas where the population is high, or employers also have, but they have the amount of underemployment which is very high, and people migrate to the towns where it is often even more difficult to find work, and moreover the towns become overcrowded, making living condition poorer. Housing and health. The standard of living in overpopulated countries is low, and housing conditions are often poor and overcrowded, and housing condition is also not good, and the health is not related with hygienic condition. This is unhygienic, it is situated in unhygienic condition. Okay, and standards of hygiene and nutrition are also low, which leads to health problems such as malnutrition and the spread of diseases. So there have not any kind of hygienic environment. Okay, that's where the problem is arise with malnutrition or spread of diseases. And prevention and cure of disease is hampered by insanitary conditions, by the ignorance of the people, and by the lack of financial resources. Next is impact of overpopulation. What are the impact of overpopulation? Various consequences or effects of overpopulation are as follows. So first one is the depletion of natural resources. Pressure on natural resources would increase, and the food and freshwater supplies would be inadequate or insufficient, and this would result in malnutrition and various diseases. As a result, the import would increase and the economy would be debt. Okay, so impact of overpopulation in developing countries, the impact is very pathetic. And next is environmental hazards. That overpopulation would increase the demand for areas, and this would result in deforestation or loss of natural habits. Increasing industrialization and urbanization would cause imbalance in the atmosphere, leading to global warming. So due to urbanization or industrialization process, environment also hampered, and this create the global warming. Next is employment and poverty, unemployment and poverty. Overpopulation would result in society of job. As a result, majority of population would be poor, and there would be high cost of living due to the pressure of the economy. So there have a pressure in economy because the number of population is very high, they have not the opportunity for taking a job. And health and sanitation, more land use and poor infrastructure would lower the health conditions and overall sanitation and hygiene. Inadequate medical facilities would have a negative impact on the population, and the infant mortality rate would increase. Next is imbalance in trade. Huge amount of money would be spent on medical care, housing and other public facilities. As a result, industrial development would be affected. A nation's dependence on the other countries for superior goods would increase, and this would lead to an imbalance in trade, that is more imports and less exports. So imbalance in trade is that we need to import more and we can able to export less, okay, because our demand is very high.